In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo gallery to your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your favorite photos, displaying your portfolio, or just adding a personal touch. A photo gallery can really enhance your site's appeal. So let's walk through the process of creating one together, step by step. To get started, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you've done that, open the website that you would like to add the photo gallery to. You'll find that Wix makes it easy to design beautiful photo galleries with just a few clicks. Now, on the left side of your Wix editor, you'll notice a button labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that to see a variety of options that you can add to your site. In this case, you'll want to choose Gallery. This is where you can decide what type of gallery you want to include on your page. Wix offers a few different styles, including options like Pro Galleries and Grid Galleries. Each one has its own unique look and feel, so it's worth exploring these options to see which one best suits the vibe of your site. Following that, you'll see other options like slider galleries or even more galleries. Don't hesitate to explore these choices. Once you've found a gallery style that aligns with your vision, click to select it. This action will add the gallery to your web page, ready for customization. Now that your gallery is on the page, you can start personalizing it by changing the images. With the gallery selected, find the option that says Change Images and click on it. Here, you can upload your own photos by clicking Add Images. This will prompt you to select files from your computer. Choose the images that you want to feature in your gallery. After you've made your selections, hit the Done button to upload your photos. Once your images are in place, you'll want to tailor the gallery to better fit your site's theme and your personal taste. You can adjust the layout, design, and even the way images transition in the gallery. Feel free to explore different settings and experiment with colors, fonts, and spacing until everything looks just how you envisioned. Remember, the key here is to ensure your gallery complements the rest of your website while effectively highlighting your images. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a customizable photo gallery to your Wix website. With some creativity, your photo gallery will captivate visitors and effectively showcase your work or favorite moments. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your Wix site. Stay inspired and happy creating.